Hey traders, what's up? This is David John Hall of RetailTrader.net. As always, bringing you the best free trading information anywhere on the web. What I want to do today is go over the stock screen that we use to find the strongest stocks trading on the market at any given time. It's a simple screen, it's easy to use, and you'll be able to pick it up in no time. What we do is we start here at the Google homepage, and you want to click on the More link and click on the Finance link. Then you will be taken to the Google Finance homepage, and on the top right hand corner here, you will see a link for a new stock screener that Google has introduced. It's intuitive, it's very easy to use, it's user friendly, and it's free, which I'm sure you will appreciate. On the left hand side here, we have the default Google criteria. We've got market cap, PE ratio, dividend yield, and 52-week price change by percent. Right off the bat, we're going to go ahead and get rid of the market cap, the PE ratio, the dividend yield percent. Those are fundamental criteria, and at retailtrader.net, we use a strictly technical approach to trading the markets. And what that means is we look at price action, volume action, and time to determine our edge in the market and when to trade and when not to trade. And so let's go ahead and start with a 52-week price change here. In the minimum column, I want you to add a value of 100. And what that means is that over the last 52 weeks, the stocks we are looking at have gained a minimum of 100%. And what this does is it ensures that we are only looking at stocks that have shown strength and momentum and buying interest. Once we have entered the 52-week price change, we're going to add another criteria, which is price per share. And so we would click on the price tab down here. Want to click on last price and add criteria. Now, what we're going to do on the minimum column is add a value of $10 for the minimum share price. And the reason for this is that we are going to trade stocks that are only trading higher than $10. As stocks trading less than $10 tend to exhibit higher volatility, and with higher volatility comes greater risk. And at retailtrader.net, we like to limit our risk and focus only on stocks that tend to move in more predictable price patterns, which in our back testing has proven to be stocks trading over $10. Now, on the maximum column here, we want to enter a number of 50. And the reason for this is that we are looking for stocks with some growth potential and some upward potential. And while it's true that stocks trading over $50 can still have moves of 100%, 200%, 300%, it is, in our experience, we have also determined that stocks trading less than $50 per share have a higher probability of greater moves ahead. Now, once we've entered the price info, we want to go ahead and click down here in the criteria window. We want to click volume and then average volume, add criteria. Now, in the minimum column, we're going to add 200,000 shares. That's our minimum average volume. And the reason why we have this criteria in place is because stocks trading at fewer than 200,000 shares have shown to us also to have higher volatility and higher risk. So we're going to go ahead and stay away from those stocks. Now, once you've entered into your average volume, we're not going to enter a number for the maximum. We're going to cancel that out, and that's because we don't have a cap on the number of daily shares traded in a stock. So once we have done that, we have our three criteria that we look for when screening for the strongest stocks trading anywhere on the market. So what we'll do is we will close down the criteria window and we'll find that we are left with 16 stocks out of the 7,000 stocks, 7,000 plus stocks trading on the market. And that is a very manageable number. It's a number that we can watch daily and monitor for price moves. And you can click on any one of these ticker symbols here and be taken to an informational page for that stock. If you click on SID here, you will be taken to a chart for that stock, as long as also with some technical information there on the share price. And if you look at the chart here, you will see that in the last year, SID has had a move of 205%. Very, very strong stock. And if you've been watching the market lately, you'll know that from October of 2007 onward, the market has experienced quite a correction, but not SID. This is what I mean when I say that there is always a stock going up somewhere, as this stock has certainly been very strong over that time period. And just recently, it has experienced a new 52-week high, and that is actually a buy signal for us and something that we watch for. Um, if you scroll down here, you can see companies related to SID. You can see financial information for SID and also get some key stats and ratios. And that's true for any one of the stocks listed on your stock screen here. And go ahead if you want to click on any one of those and review their financial and chart and technical information. And well, that's about it for us today, folks. Thank you for watching. My name is David John Hall, and don't forget to check us out at retailtrader.net.